Hey everyone, and welcome to installing the WebInspect Java agent. In order to do this, you're going to have to extract a zip file, and then you're going to configure the Apache Tomcat 9 Jenkins service properties file. Let's play. Go ahead and right-click on the Fortify WebInspect Runtime Agent Java zip file. You want to extract the files. Change the location to where you want to extract these files. Once done, select OK. Now you want to access those extracted files. Go to your C drive and open up the Fortify WebInspect Runtime Agent Java directory. Now you're ready to configure your Java agent, and you're going to be doing this through the Jenkins service. Click on the chevron icon in the lower right of your taskbar. Remember, there are two Tomcat instances running on the server. One is for SSC and the other is for Jenkins. Be sure to select Jenkins. Go ahead and right-click the Apache Tomcat 9 Jenkins icon. Select Configure. Click the Java tab. In the Java options, scroll down to the bottom. Click on the Java options field to add the following option. Once you've verified that that option is there, click the OK button. Now you want to reboot the service. Click the up arrow. Right-click the Apache Tomcat 9 Jenkins item. Select Stop Service. Now that the service has stopped, you want to start it. Right-click the Apache Tomcat 9 Jenkins item. Select Start Service. The Apache Tomcat 9 Jenkins service will start. Once done, congrats. You are now ready to utilize your Java agent.